Have you ever wondered why the sky looks blue? It's the same reason things look darker when they're wet. It's called refraction. Now I've got a little experiment for you to have a look at here. Here's my windscreen. Doesn't look too dirty. It's blurry at the background there. It's not blurry at the windscreen, so I've deliberately focused the camera on the foreground, not the background, so you can see. Now around here, there's actually a bit of dirt there. Now and again, when the sunlight comes through, you'll be able to see it. And I'll just drive forward now, and as soon as the sun pokes through the trees, you'll see that light up. And as the sun actually captures the dirt, I'll try and not film the sunlight. But as soon as we come out of the trees there it is. The sunlight's hitting the dust on the windscreen. You'll be able to do this in your own car when you're driving along. Next time have a look. It's lighting it up there. If you've got a dirty windscreen, you won't be able to see out of there. That's called refraction. The reason the sky looks blue is because as the sunlight, which is white light, comes through the atmosphere, all the particles, all the bits of water and everything in the atmosphere, the sunlight bounces around everywhere, and that's what we see. The refraction bounces around everywhere. Now blue being the strongest color of the spectrum, that's what we see. It's actually ultraviolet, but we see the blue as it bounces through the atmosphere and bounces off everything, lights it all up, and then hits us. It doesn't bounce around. There's no sunlight during the nighttime, so we don't see all those particles. It doesn't light up the atmosphere. And that's what it's doing, it's lighting it up. So at nighttime we can see straight through the atmosphere. Isn't that amazing? Now the opposite happens when something gets wet. It smoothens out the surface and there's less refraction, and so it looks dark. Absolutely amazing.